I'm Katrina.
I'm Cheryl, and we're watching the Big Jackpot. Boom!
Oh, almost. So close. We got a bonus or anything yet tonight.
No, it's crazy.
I know, I have to do something. Before dinner, I was on fire. After dinner, I can't do anything. Crazy Carl, $1 super chat. All right, come on, bonus time here. Look at that BBBB. Paul says, "You're good luck, man. Can't wait to see on Slot West, and you're in the city I was born in Atlantic City, New Jersey." And we got 40 seconds left in the contest, and we're going for place number 50 for 24 hours of 100 EXP. Right now, Jamie2112 is in 50th place.
Mike, $1 super chat.
Psychic Mike, $1 super chat. There it is.
20 seconds left.
Ooh, $5.
Ooh,
That's something.
200.
$200.
Biggest hit of the day. And that's it. And the winner, who won? Donna L. Congratulations, Donna. Our first winner of the night. Donna gets Cinder 100 XP. $24 hours, $75 value.
Come on.
Oh, one more. Fast Eddie, $2.79 super chat. Could tonight be the night for your biggest jackpot? That'd be nice. Ready for it. Justin, $2 super chat. Big boom's coming soon. J Moose Luck is in the house.
Come on, we get all the luck we can.
Andrew, $2 super chat. $45 a spin. 5 reel double diamond.
Come on.
Yes, and Donna, her gift. Donna L, it has been sent. You got 100 EXP for the next 24 hours. Come on. Look at this thing.
People watching live. Smash that like
Hit
button.
the thumbs up for good luck. Let us know you're out there. Put 25 or something there. Start our next contest on the Big Jackpot slot app. In 14 seconds, the next round starts. 14 seconds. Huh? Slot Terminator, $2 super chat. Hashtag Raja. What? Yeah, we sent down Enterprise.
What?
Yeah, we got it.
Okay, cool.
I don't need a guard. I've got T.
You hear that? He's got these here coming.
T. Come on, is he?
Come on, something. That's something.
Yeah.
$25.
$25, T.
Breaking even.
You get a bonus or anything this thing.
Marjorie, the taxi T.
Everybody. Finally! Miracle!
Taxi
Or
T item is now in
BBB.
stores.
Everyone. The Air T. T-Air. T-Air. Hello, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Alright, first bonus of the night here.
Come on.
Come on. Alright, back in business.
Come on, fill it up.
Need a $6,000 bonus. Justin, $2 super chat. Happy Lanterns.
All right. Oh, here comes the crowd. Where's J Money? J
Action shots, J Money. Action shots. And don't forget, Saturday morning, we're going to have our Wheel of Fortune, big Wheel of Fortune group pull. And we're going to do that live for everybody to watch.
Yes.
All right.
All right, come on, fill this puppy up.
54,000. I can taste it.
Time for the
Right here.
Come on.
All right. 11 of them. Something. I don't think we got a hand pay yet. $10.50. All right. Mini boom. Something.
That's something.
Second biggest hit of the night.
I know.
All right. Come on, machine. Let's do it. Come on. And we got the next contest underway, T. What place are we looking for? What place? 7 minutes left. What place? I don't know. What are we going to give away?
20 seconds. Giving away 200 trillion coins.
200 quadrillion coins?
220 trillion coins.
420 quadrillion coins?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Feeling generous.
What place number?
22.
All right. Place number 22 in this round for 420 quadrillion coins. That's a lot of coins.
I know.
It's 420 quadrillion. All right. So we're looking for place number 22. You got that, Brian? Thanks, Brian. Great to talk to you.
20.
Has anybody seen Brian's baseballs? If you have Brian's baseballs, we want them back immediately. Place number 22 on this round, 420Q. Derek, $2 super chat. Will you ever go to Monaco? We've already been there. Look at that. Look at that. Lucky BOD in the house. What was that, BOD? All right, big chip in the middle. Big chip.
Big one.
Chip or wild. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, 440. Still haven't got a hand pay yet, and we haven't ever had a live feed without one. 680. Chip. Oh, that big chip. I saw it. Nothing. Nothing.
Big chip.
All right, fish. 840.
Super chat.
Come on. Oh, thanks.
I watch your video.
Oh, dude, thanks. Thanks for watching. Sure. All right. Thanks.
$20 super chat.
$20 cash super chat. And we're giving tomorrow night, tomorrow night we're giving 1,000, well, we'll give 1,020 to the, one more fish.
Boy Scouts.
To the Boys and Girls Club of Atlantic City tomorrow night. Huh? You beating up everybody, teams?
No?
Tim Humphreys, $2 super chat. 3,000 viewers. Can we get 2,000 more likes?
I know. Come on.
Oh, yeah, man. If we had 2,000 likes, I'd be playing all night again for 5.5 more hours. Come on. Welcome, James, from the United Kingdom. Where's everybody watching from? 3,000 people watching. Where do you guys all live? Where are you all from? Inquiring minds want to know. Like Kelly's. Kelly's been downgraded. She's drinking her wine out of plastic tonight. Still tastes good in the plastic. $70. That's something.
Hey, that's something. Come on, everyone. Smash
I know.
that like button.
Ah, come on.
Get on the app now. For
Screen of Dolphins. Oh, one more ball we need there. Okay.
Come on.
Ooh.
Come on. Oh, that's probably clean.
$750. There you go.
Take it.
$125 a spin. Oh my God, yeah. Figures. Oh yeah. Might as well give me 100,000 ball. So I'm not gonna do anything else. Ooh. 5 treasure chests only pays $150.
5 cases.
That's all for 5 treasure.
120. Come on, right here.
2 more. 1 more. Oh my God.
Hey, that's a hand
Our
pay
first
already.
hand pay of the night. Finally. We got $3 grand already. 3,500 to
About 30
start.
minutes left in the
There we
halftime.
go.
Brian's roll.
Christian Skydell, $1 super chat. Thank you very much. All right, come on.
Come on, big numbers.
Minor.
Yes.
All right. I want the minor now for $5 grand.
Yes. Come on.
Ah. John's Crazy Adventures, $2 super chat. Florida, Vado nice and sunny.
Come on.
Come on, one more. Come on. All right, still good. Our first hand pay of the night. Finally something. Yeah, I just read that. Oh, that's not bad. $4,000. Boom, boom, boom. Made up for those fire links.
Oh, they're 1,000 feet.
Yeah. Ain't playing around, Mr. T.
Yay!
Boom, boom, boom. Put that on my Snapchat.
His room is 7543.
John's Crazy Adventures. Yeah, I just read that. Where are you? Are you?
It's just coming through.
Are you behind the times here?
Yeah, my thing is like, it's off.
Derek Dixon, $2 super chat. Your luck is changing. Finally, something. How much time left in the contest, Brian?
248.
248. Boom, boom, boom. Finally, $4,000.
Good luck, Brian House.
Good luck, BOD.
All right, get a photo of this one.
Boom, boom, boom. Come on. Come on. Boom. $4
You missed the jackpot, Morgan.
Yeah, bonus round.
Ran off to.
Once you get 6 boards,
These are the yards.
block it.
Like
I'm
when we
ready
got
for
into
it,
the bonus
Joanne.
round, did they just randomly select a number?
It's usually between certain.
Boom, boom, boom. Kyle in the house. Dan Schaefer, $10 super chat. I arrived just in time for a boom. Continued luck.
They like always show up as
Huh?
like the number.
Yes! All right, at 125. There they are. Now the party starts. Look who's here. Kyle Schwartz. Hey. One more hundreds in the house. One more
Man,
hundred.
look at that. Good luck. We got a
Right
bonus.
on.
How you doing?
Yeah, right when you walked in. All right, you ready, T?
Yeah.
You got a bonus here. $125 to spend. All right, let's do it. Hashtag Rajas for good luck.
Big numbers. Chip.
Nothing.
Here.
All right, it's coming right now. Chip.
We actually got the bonus before you walked in. Then you walked in.
Yes.
All right,
Yes.
fish. There we go. That's good.
That's something.
Went to dinner before this.
What does that pay? Let's see.
I don't know.
Matthew.
A lot.
Yeah, I mean, it's $50
You
per
gotta do
line,
Chico Man
so
from the spot.
$6.50. Come on.
We need a good one now. We need a ball. Oh, there we go. All right, stars.
Oh, what the-
Something good.
15 seconds remaining.
Come on.
And the winner is
Now a second. 3, 2.
Those two are hard.
Team Win.
Just
Yeah, I just gave them.
confirm number 22.
Yep, 22 for 422.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
there we go. That's good. Yeah.
Jerry Jr. won.
Congratulations, Jerry Jr.
All right.
And we got our next one coming up. Jackpot Lucky Chain. There you go. How much is that one, T?
That one's big. I don't know.
Bigger than Ollie?
Maybe.
Oh, that was a good one. All right, come on. Now a really good one.
Big chip.
Chip.
All right. 26.25. That's good. Finally paying off here a little bit. Snapchat that.
She saw Scott got the edge.
So, yeah.